This is our unconfined compression tester machine. This is our um, this is our main switch, which can be used for loading and unloading. This is the base plate. This is the bottom conical plate. This is the nut where we can fix the probing ring. This is our probing ring, which can show us the load of failure load of a mold. This is the upper conical plate. This is unconfined compression split mold. Size is 38 diameter and 76 mm height. This is the cutter. It is used for the conical setting, making the conical setting in the specimen. This is the dial gauge, with which we can measure the displacement of the mold. After that, we have to just how to assemble the instrument. We can show you. So first of all, we have to fix the probing ring here. Now we have to fix the bottom conical plate on the bottom of the probing ring. After that, we have to fix the dial gauge. Now we can change the speed of the machine all as well. So there is 3 speed is given in the machine. So here we have fixed just 1.25 mm per minute. If you have to change the speed of the machine, we have given 3 speeds, 1.5 and another one is 2.5. So you have to change both the set of the gear. This is for 2.5 mm per minute. This is for 1.5 mm per minute, and right now it is fixed in 1.25 mm per minute. So we are doing right now 1.25 mm per minute speed. So now we can proceed to the specimen molding and testing. We are doing the specimen molding and testing. First of all, we have to cast the sample in the mold. So first of all, we have to oil the mold inside the diameter, so we can easily remove the specimen after molding. Now we have to add the first we have to find out the volume of the mold by its height and diameter. After that, we have to multiply that volume by the soil density, soil MDD. So we will get the soil sample weight, which is a dry soil sample weight. After that, we have to add the moisture content as per the OMC. So right now we are adding just manually water. We are just testing the sample, so we don't know the MDD and OMC, so just we add the random water. After mixing the water with soil, we have to fill the soil sample in the mold. If we are doing right the MDD and OMC, then whatever sample is there, we have to fill it by total compacting. So right now we don't know the OMC and MDT, so we are taking randomly samples, so we have to compact accordingly. If you are taking MDD and OMC, then you prepare the sample. So whatever sample is there, for example it is 300 gram or 200 gram, so you have to fill fill whatever sample is there, you have to directly fill the sample in the mold by compaction. Okay, now fill the sample. Now we have to make the conical setting with this cutter. We have to just put it and rotate it, so excess soil sample is removed by the conical setting. So both the side we have to do like this. We have to just rotate the ring, and there is a conical setting arrangement is prepared in the specimen. We can see there is a conical setting is there in the both side. Okay. Right now we have to remove the specimen from the mold. Okay, this is a sample. Just we have to put in the machine right now. We have to adjust this nut to adjust the height of the top of the conical seating. Also we have to see this lever is perpendicular or not with using the spirit level. After touching the top of the mold, we have to lock the upper nut like this. Then we have to make 0 in the probing ring by rotating this outer dial. Then we have to set the dial gauge on the base plate of the machine. Dial gauge we have to set 0, like rotating from this dial gauge. After that we have to turn on the machine by load side, so it will rotate the dial gauge, and whenever the load comes from the comes on the soil, the dial gauge of probing ring is also rotated. So we have to note the reading every 0.5 mm, means 0 to 50 is 0.5 mm. So every 0.5 mm we have to note the reading of dial gauge of probing ring. There is a 1 division. The load is increasing. So we have to take reading up to failure of the specimen or 20% deformation. If the failure is there is a failure is here, so right now we have to stop. There is crack over the mold. So final reading we have to take from here. There is a 7 division and the displacement is about 2.5 mm. So right now we have stop the test. We have to stop the test, and whatever loading is there, we have to unload the machine also. So it will go back and go to the home position for the next test. So you can see here the mold, our mold is failed. After that we have to note the reading and we have to calculate the UCS as per the formula.